Do you have two sisters?
No, I do not have two sisters. Do you have time for me?
Yes, I have time for you.
Have you a pen?
Yes, I have pen.
Do you have my notebook?
Yes, I have your notebook.
Okay. Which type of car do you have?
I have BMW car. Uh, why do you have a job?
Because I'm talented. Do you have manners?
Yes, I have manners. Hmm. Does Nitin have girlfriend? Girlfriend. Nitin, does Nitin have a girlfriend?
No, Nitin does not have a girlfriend. Do you have your parents?
Yes, I have parents. Um, does she have a car?
Yes, she have a car. Do you have mobile phone?
Yes, I have mobile phone. Do you have house?
Yes, I have a house. Do you have pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
See,
Oh.
you guys have asked multiple questions using do. Now you need to ask some questions related to does as well. आप सवाल कुछ does से भी करो है ना, जैसे does he, does she, does it, does Aman sir, does this boy and girl है ना, कुछ ऐसे सवाल जवाब भी आने हैं.
Uh, does Ajay have a notebook?
Yes, Ajay has a notebook. Does Nitin have a pen?
Yes, Nitin have a pen.
Nitin has a pen.
Nitin has a pen. Um,
Why do you have a car?
because I have money. Does Janvi have a friend?
Yes, Janvi has a friends.
Does Aman sir have a good teacher?
Yes, Aman sir have a good teacher. Do you have a book?
Yes, I have a book.
How many notebooks or how many books do you have?
How many?
How many?
How many do you have?
How many books?
How many books do you have?
I have two books. Which type of pencil do you have?
I have pencil. Okay. I have blue pens. अब क्या बोलूँ? Does Khushi have a brain?
Yes, Khushi has brain. Does Mahima has parents?
Yes. Mahima has parents. नहीं, Mahima has parents. Does Vijay have a sister?
Yes, Vijay has a sister. Do you have question for me?
No, I do not have a question for you.
Thank you. Thank you guys for watching this video.